Okay guys, as promised, if I could get a bit of time in the rain in these RSTs, then I will get a bit of time. So I'm in the rain, as you can tell, miserable weather after work, can't see shit, lights are all out down here. I put the old full beams on so I can see where I'm going. With this rain, it don't make it easy. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enjoy the ride all the way back to Dereham from Norwich, from work. And I'm going to commentate when I get home how dry I actually am. I know my feet are going to be soaked because the motorbike boots I've got, they're all wet. So yeah, anyway, I'll let you know how it is when I get back. See you then. Right guys, I am nearly home. I'm back at Dereham. Oh, it's been wet out. I'll tell you now, I'm not too sure about the trousers. My legs feel a bit cold. I don't know if they're wet. I know my shoes are soaked. I've got puddles in there. It feels really horrible to move them, and that's why I just missed that shifter. But yeah, oh dear. I'll find out once I get off the bike now. But for some reason Karen keeps playing up in the rain, that's all. I don't know why. Right, let's find out. We're here. We're here, we're back at the gaff. More dry than what I was with the upper trousers. So, yeah. Not bad at all.